Looking to upgrade your car's stereo without the hassle of cutting wires or compromising sound quality? The Scosche FDK13B adapter promises a seamless connection between your aftermarket stereo and your factory amplified system. If you've been searching for an easy, reliable way to maintain your vehicle's premium audio experience, this adapter is designed exactly for that purpose. I've seen plenty of adapters that claim to fit factory amplified systems but fall short when it comes to quality or compatibility. The FDK13B stands apart because it connects directly to your factory harness, no splicing, no guesswork. It's built with factory-quality wires and connectors, using standard color coding to make installation straightforward, even for those who aren't professional installers. Plus, it supports power and 4 speakers, including a dedicated connector for your subwoofer amp, so your sound stays crisp and powerful. For over 40 years, Scosche has earned a reputation for crafting durable, affordable car stereo accessories that meet high standards. They don't just sell products, they back them up with lifetime tech support. That means if you have any questions about your installation or product down the road, their expert team is ready to help, no expiration date. On top of that, every Scosche 12 volts installation accessory comes with a limited lifetime warranty, reflecting the confidence they have in their craftsmanship. One customer shared how the FDK13B was the proper adapter for their 2003 Ford Expedition with a premium sound system, despite other sources recommending a different model. Their experience highlights Scosche's commitment to customer service and product accuracy, making it a trusted choice for vehicle audio upgrades. If you want a hassle-free, high-quality solution to connect your aftermarket stereo to a factory amplified system, the Scosche FDK13B is worth a look. It saves you time, protects your vehicle's wiring, and keeps your sound system performing at its best. Try it when you're ready to upgrade your ride's audio without compromise.